Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 Dollar Tree baskets that I think that you'll love. They are for random different occasions. If you like this kind of content, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So the first basket I'm making is a happy birthday basket. I'm putting a gold basket with some white tissue paper and some purple shreds. All of these are from the Dollar Tree. I'm following that up with some Boom Chicka Pop purple popcorn, which is mine and my daughter's favorite. Next, I'm putting in some purple incense. They also had some other colors, so if you didn't want to do a purple theme, that's totally fine. This Midnight Jasmine candle, which I think is beautiful, and once it's burned out, it can be used for other things, and it smells delicious. The next item that I am placing in this basket is this happy birthday cup, and it is glass. It's really well made, so it looks more high-end, and I love it. And then this purple headband as well, which is something that I would wear if I were putting on my makeup, so I really love it, and it's super velvety soft. And last, I am going to go ahead and put in these socks. I did take off the tag, and I'm just going to roll them up and place them inside. So this is how you can see it as normal, but if you don't want to do that, you can always wrap it in the cellophane with a nice pretty bow, and that completes this basket. The next basket is a bridesmaid or bride gift, and with this one I am using white tissue paper, but of course I think that a beautiful champagne or rose gold tissue paper or shreds would be beautiful in this. Unfortunately, this is all that my Dollar Tree had to offer that would look good in the basket, and I think it still turned out great. For this, I'm just putting in layered white tissue paper, and I end up folding it over to give it a classier look. And as you can see, I am fluffing it. When I put it in the cellophane bag at the end, you'll notice that I did trim it up just a little bit. So I'm starting off with this beautiful gold and cream colored notes notebook. This will help the bride or bridesmaid jot down any ideas that they may have, as well as this super cute water bottle, which I found in a blush pink color. This shower poof that I found in a champagne. The video does make it look a little bit lighter yellow, but it's actually a champagne-ish gold color. Next, I'm going to put in this bride glass. Of course, Dollar Tree doesn't sell wine, but if you wanted to add wine to this to step it up a notch, you certainly could. And this Miss to Mrs. eye wear that you can wear at bedtime. I did notice that it came in a silky bag, so to make it classier, I put it in there and I stuffed it in the basket as well. And I followed that up with this beautiful scrunchie that I did take out of the wrapper. I ended up wrapping it around the water bottle and letting it drape over. And these are my favorite thing that I found at the Dollar Tree, and they're the bobby pins. And I enjoyed the blue color so much that I took the bobby pins off of the other packaging and I put them on this one. Next, I am going to wrap this in cellophane. Again, this is a choice, and I added a white bow to make it look just a little bit classier, and that completes this basket. The next basket I'm doing is a congratulations on your new pet basket. This theme is of course a cat basket, but I can always do a dog theme later, so let me know in the comments if that's something that you would want to see. I'm starting out with another gold basket because that's pretty much all my Dollar Tree had to offer, but I do love them because they look really good in offices, so they can be recycled. You can also use them throughout your home. So I'm putting in the purple shreds and the white tissue paper, as well as this teal colored cat mat. This can be used to catch water or food, or it can be used for your cat to knead on. I'm also putting in these really cute pot holders that I found at the Dollar Tree as well, and that was probably one of my favorite things to add to this basket. They're really soft. The next thing I'm putting in are these temptation treats. If you're not comfortable giving somebody treats because you don't know anything about them, I would suggest leaving these out. But for this particular video, I thought they would look great. I'm also putting in this adorable yarn ball in multiple colors and my favorite, this little mouse. Of course, you can finish this up with the cellophane and the bow, and that completes this basket. Next, I am making a summer-themed ice cream basket. So I'm starting out with this teal bucket as well as 2 bags of these assorted colored shreds and 1 bag of purple shreds. I'm also putting in these ice cream cones. Now this box has a design where it can go up and down or it can go sideways. I went ahead and put it up and down because I felt like it gave height to the basket. And I'm following that up with this chocolate syrup. Of course, you can always put in a different brand, but this is all that I could find at my Dollar Tree. Next, I'm putting in this bright orange milkshake cup, as well as 2 of these beautiful, very well made ice cream cups, and they are colored on the bottom. There were a couple of other colors, so you can choose whichever you'd like. And then next, I am following that up with these straws, and I thought that they would go really cute in the milkshake cup. Next, I am putting these sprinkles into this jar. I thought that the label on the rainbow sprinkles was a little bit too generic, so I did end up putting them in the jar instead, which you'll see here in just a second. And then I also put in this cake. It's a microwave mug cake, and I thought that that would be really good with ice cream on top, so I thought it went really, really well in the basket as well. And that completes this basket. Again, you can put the cellophane and the bow on it as well, but this is how it looks. Now on to the last basket. This one is a pink theme and can be used for any occasion such as a birthday or a thank you gift. I'm just adding the pink shreds to the gold basket with the white tissue paper. The tissue paper is there so that the paper shreds don't fall through. Next, I am moving on to this pink tropical tumbler. I would recommend making sure that yours isn't scratched up. I didn't notice how badly mine was scratched until I got it home. Don't worry, it's not actually getting gifted. Next, I am putting in this eye and lip mask as well as this watermelon daily cleanser. After that, I'm adding in this really cute watermelon jewelry tray that I found, and it's ceramic and really, really well made. I hadn't seen these before, so I thought it would be great to add to it. And this photo hanger line, which is made of clothespins. I did end up putting them in the basket right now, but you'll see later I end up hanging it on the front because I thought it gave the basket some personality and some color to see through the cellophane. Next, I'm adding on this heart with the arrow through it. The arrow gives it a little bit of shine because it is full of glitter, and I did cut the tag off of that as well, and I'm adding in this bright pink nail polish. Next, if you want to, you can add in the Sour Patch Kids watermelon flavor. Of course, you wouldn't have to, but I thought it would be fun to add that in since everything else is watermelon themed. And that completes this basket. Again, you can add the cellophane and the bow to give it a little bit of personality and to keep things from falling out. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you're notified anytime that I upload. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and let me know your favorite basket down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved it. See you later. Bye.